idea. Anybody else have an idea on what to do? Because it's dipping into the water. It's just not coming out. Anybody else have an idea of what to do?
Maybe that might be a little bit too long because it's only going up and it's hitting here and making it straight. If they cut a little bit, I think, or like make it a little bit different, they would make it go in a little bit more narrow.
Okay. Yeah. What are you thinking?
When it goes down, that's facing down, and it's hard for the water to enter the straw. So if you bend it a little bit more up, it'll be easier for the water to enter.
That's what I was.
That's what you were thinking? All right, well, so let's try
a little
that.
bit of water.
Oh, a little bit, but let's try it. See, you just bent it a little bit up. So let's try it without. Be careful. Okay, let's see.
A little bit more, okay. And
You can see a lot of water.
Okay, so let's keep.
With my initials and Solomon's initials.
So we bent it up a little bit. Let's give it a little more water. I don't want to get the servo wet.
Using my cup. You're using my cup.
Oh, still not quite there.
maybe this needs to go a little bit more down.
Well, yeah, but the cups don't matter which cups we have.
Well, is it stopping the thing from falling all the way down? Is what he's asking.
Keeps on getting stuck.
So can I
Right there.
do that? Like just to see, because then we can maybe cut the cup to let it go all the way down. That's a little bit better because it does hold it up a little bit.
Oh no! Here it comes. Yeah, I feel like it's like.
So we could cut like a little cut in there, a little gap, and then that'll allow it to go all the way down. Maybe that'll help.
We did it.
Okay, great. And ideally, you'll keep watering it until what?
Until there's not enough water that can.
Well, that's one thing, but also you want it to. Oh, so it's already not enough water, so we have to add some more water to it. But hopefully, once it starts to conduct more electricity, then it won't have the umbrella on here, and then it'll stop watering it. So once it gets enough water and enough electricity is coming through, it'll stop. So I like how you cut that piece. Let me add some more water. Also, what's stopping it or what's not working?
So it goes yellow, red, black, right?
It's hitting this.
Okay, so what can we do to fix that?
Maybe put this on a higher
Okay.
surface.
Cool. Let's just hold it up there first. Hold it and see. Okay.
A little back.
So it's something higher.
If there's water in it, pour to the floor.
Okay. So can we test it with some water?
Yes.
There's a small problem where this is kind of elevated, right? But that's just like.
That is so cool. How are you guys going? We did it.
It's working.
did it. Good job. Look how cool that is.
Yeah, what was the problem that we had? What do we have to fix?
We had to fix the wires, and when we fixed that, we had to put this on a higher surface.
Okay,
That's
cool.
so cool. Now,
So it stopped, you got enough water, and it has enough conductivity, so it stopped watering. Cool. Yeah.
All right, that's good.
Oh, technically we're